Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Masood Kareem. In this monthly video tutorial, I will share technical aspects and techniques of top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 39,258 level on July 30, 2020. The closing is above the monthly pivot level of 36,846. The monthly resistance and support levels are at 39,788 and 35,866. The monthly trading has generated a big white candle, which is well contained within a downwards expanding pattern. More gain is expected, if it closes above the high of March, 2020. The TRG closed at 47.50 level on July 30, 2020. The closing is above the monthly pivot level of 38.08. The monthly resistance and support levels are at 54.05 and 37.95 respectively. The monthly closing produced a big white candle. Technical indicators are bullish. The maple leaf cement closed at 32.45 level on July 30, 2020. The closing is above the monthly pivot level of 29.41. The monthly resistance and support levels are at 37.20 and 28.79 respectively. The technical indicators are bullish with an upside breakout from the diamond pattern. The PAEL electron closed at 32.10 level on July 30, 2020. The closing is above the monthly pivot level of 27.78. The monthly resistance and support levels are at 42.90 and 27.30 respectively. Technically, the indicators are positive after a bullish breakout from the rectangular chart pattern. The HASCOL closed at 13.59 level on July 30, 2020. The closing is below the monthly pivot level of 13.79. The monthly resistance and support levels are at 21.60 and 10.27 respectively. It is trading below the 19-month moving average with a wide margin. The 19-month moving average works well on the monthly time frame. Sideways trend is likely to continue. The K Electric closed at 3.49 level on July 30, 2020. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 3.36. The monthly resistance and support levels are at 4.05 and 2.82 respectively. Sideways movement is expected as long it stays below the 19-month moving average. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.